Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Rizwana. This video is about speaking English. We all know English, we all can write English, but we face problem when we speak in English. And this is very common problem of ours. When we start speaking, we feel words don't come into our mind what we are going to say. We make grammatical mistake, we feel hesitate to speak in front of others. All the problems are very common and obvious. But here again, we can come up with some solutions here. The most important fact that we need to understand, English is not our mother tongue. We did not express our thoughts, we did not speak in this medium of language in the very early stage. Our environment was not like that. We have used this language only for study purpose or for the purpose of other official stuffs. Then we have kept this language away from us. So here we have to keep this language in touch with us. We have to befriend with this. We have to create our own comfort area where we will feel ease gradually by practicing, by speaking and by using it. This is the most significant words that I experienced in my study and in my job career. I started to speak. I did grammatical errors terribly. I did lots of mistakes, but I did not stop myself. I studied, I practiced, and I knew. Now I know how the beautiful language is, and after the mother tongue Bangla, any language that where I feel ease to speak, that is the one, English. Another fact that I want to add here, that is, sometimes we feel when we are speaking, people are looking at us. They will judge us, they will laugh at us. If you feel so, stop bothering them. See, you need your progress, your development. You are not harming others. So why will you bother or care about someone's baseless comment or mockery? Please work on your own improvement and see the outcome, how positive it is. Language is something through which you express your thoughts. What you want to tell somebody, you do it by using a language. So if you make your words simple, the person whom you are telling something, he or she will understand it easily. And in communication, understanding plays a big role. So make your sentences as simple as you can. Keep speaking using very ordinary words, very simple words. Don't go for any extraordinary words or vocabularies that will not give you comfort. Admire your simplicity. Being simple is the best choice of life. It makes us precious. It makes us proud of our own self. And that was all to say. You keep learning, spread goodness, and stay well. May Allah bless us all. Goodbye.